In this video, we're going to be going over all the different ways you can schedule appointments in Lawmatics. The first way to schedule an appointment is from the Lawmatics dashboard. As you can see, there's an option to click Create New Appointment. Whenever you select the New Appointment button, this window will appear. Make sure to always change the appointment type, unless of course you want the appointment type to be initial consultation. Lawmatics will always default the appointment type to initial consultation unless you select otherwise. Then you can change the display name. The display name is what will be shown to the client. Next, you'll be given the option to select a location. Make sure that you always select a location whenever scheduling a meeting. Next, you'll select the meeting host. You'll have the option to schedule meetings with multiple people in your firm. To do so, just simply click their name, and the meeting will be scheduled with both people. Next, change the start date. Whenever you select the start date, the end date should automatically update to whatever the event type duration is set to within the Lawmatics settings. However, if you want to make that appointment longer or shorter than normal, you can do so by simply editing the end time. Select the attendee. Make sure to always select the matter instead of the contact. This ensures that the client will receive all of the automated email confirmations and reminders. Then you'll be given an option to write an appointment description. Keep in mind that if you toggle Send Calendar Invite, the client will be able to see the appointment description. So make sure not to write anything in here that you don't want the client to be able to read if you're going to be sending out that calendar invite. You can also send out a reminder. This will just be a generic plain text email that will send out to the client. We've set up automated email reminders and confirmations through Lawmatics automations to go out to clients, so you won't need to use this. Once you're done, select Create Appointment. The next way to schedule an appointment in Lawmatics is through the Calendar page. Under CRM, you'll see Event Calendar. Lawmatics will default to only show you your events. However, you can come in here and view events for multiple people if you wish. You can also filter to only view certain event types. How you schedule an appointment from the event calendar page is by clicking the New Appointment button. This window will be the exact window that you saw before when we went over the Lawmatics dashboard. The next option will be to request an appointment. Requesting an appointment is totally different than creating a new appointment. Whenever you're requesting an appointment, you're sending a link to the client that allows them to self-schedule this meeting. Lawmatics will only show them available dates and times by syncing to your calendar. Make sure whenever you're requesting an appointment that you fill out all of these fields correctly, making sure to change the event type if needed and the display name if you'd like. Next, make sure to change that location, set the correct meeting host, and then make sure to always select the matter instead of the contact when you're sending availability to. Next, you can add an appointment description and write an email body. Whenever requesting an appointment, you must write in an email body here. This is the message that will go along with the appointment request that's going to be emailed out to the client. Your message will appear right above the button for them to click to schedule their appointment. You'll then have the option to set the appointment length or the event duration. One of the key differences between creating an appointment and requesting an appointment is whenever you request an appointment, you have the option to append a rescheduling link to the email. This is a great option if you want clients to be able to reschedule their own appointments. Unfortunately, this feature isn't available whenever we're sending out appointment confirmation emails to clients on appointments that we schedule internally within the firm. However, whenever sending out an appointment request, if you want that client to be able to reschedule if they need to later on, simply toggle this icon. Whenever you do so, the client will see two buttons on their email. One that shows them the option to schedule, and then one that will take them to a rescheduling page. Finally, you'll have the option to send that reminder, but again, we have automation set up to send out beautiful HTML email reminders to your clients, so you won't need to use this button here. Once all of this information is filled out, just simply click Email Request. The client will receive an email with your photo along with a button to schedule that appointment. The next way to schedule an appointment is from the Matter page. To schedule an appointment from the Matter page, simply click Schedule Appointment. Again, you'll see all of these options appear. However, you won't need to select the attendee because we're already on the Matter page. This meeting will automatically be scheduled with the primary contact on the Matter. Again, change that appointment type if you need to, select a location, and you can change the start and end date, and send a calendar invite if you wish. You also have the option to request an appointment from the Matter page. Click the Request Appointment button. You may not see this button if you haven't set up your calendar settings within Lawmatics. Whenever you're requesting an appointment from the Matter page, again, it's automatically going to be sent to the primary contact on that matter. Make sure to go through and enter all of this information, add an appointment description if you wish, and write a message to the client that you want them to see along with the link for them to schedule. You'll be able to set an appointment length and append that rescheduling link if you wish. Once you're done, email the request. The next way to schedule an appointment from the Matter page is by using a booking form. Booking forms are found under the Assets tab. However, you're also able to access them from a Matter page. Click Form Actions, and then Open Booking. From there, select the type of booking form you want to complete, and click Open. You'll be taken to the booking form, and all of that Matter information will be merged in those fields. Once you're done, click Next, and then make sure to click Confirm. On booking forms, you'll always see this last page with a Confirm button, whereas if you're scheduling an appointment through a custom form, you won't see this button. Instead, you'll see a button that says Submit.